Have you ever struggled to ask for directions in English while traveling? In this English conversation video, you will learn how to speak English confidently in public places, whether it's at a bus stop, with a friend, or while exploring a new city. So make sure to watch this video till the end. It's packed with powerful vocabulary and daily use phrases. So without further delay, let's get into the video.
You look a bit lost. Do you need any help?
Oh, yes, thank you for asking.
Where do you want to go?
I'm new to Metro City. I need to go to Central Square.
You can take bus number 5 or 12.
That's good to know. Which platform should I go to?
Platform 2, just over there.
Okay, will the bus come soon?
Yes, in about 10 minutes.
And how long will the journey take?
Around 15 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time here.
Thanks again.
Excuse me. Is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please go ahead.
Wait. Sarah?
Arjun, is that really you?
I can't believe this. What a coincidence.
It's been so long. How are you?
I'm doing well. I just moved here.
Oh, really? What brings you here?
I got a job. Today is my first day.
That's amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you. I'm joining an event planning company.
That sounds perfect for you.
Yes, but I'm a bit nervous.
You'll do great. Don't worry.
So, where are you staying these days?
I live near Central Square.
That's close to my place. I just moved there.
Really? That's nice.
Yes, I found a small flat.
Is it comfortable?
Yes, but a little expensive.
That's normal in big cities.
True, but I like the energy here.
You'll enjoy it more soon.
I hope so. Everything feels fast.
You'll get used to it.
I don't know many people here yet.
Now you know me.
That makes me feel better.
We should meet on weekends.
I'd like that.
Great. Let's plan it.
This city feels very fast paced.
Yes, it can feel overwhelming at first.
Sometimes I hesitate while speaking.
That's completely normal.
I try to speak perfectly and it slows me down.
Don't aim for perfection.
Then what should I focus on?
Focus on being simple and clear.
Is simple English enough?
Yes, more than enough.
I think I need more practice.
Practice builds confidence.
I'll start speaking more from today.
That's the right approach.
I think my stop is coming.
That was quick.
I'm really glad I met you today.
Me too. What a coincidence.
I was nervous this morning.
And now?
Now I feel more confident.
That's great to hear.
I'll speak slowly and clearly.
Exactly. Don't overthink.
I'll message you after work.
Please do.
Let's meet this weekend.
Definitely.
Bye, Sarah.
Bye.
Good evening. Welcome to our cafe. What would you like to have today?
Good evening. I'm not sure yet. Could you recommend something popular?
Of course. Our cappuccino and grilled sandwiches are quite popular.
That sounds good. Could you tell me what's in the sandwich?
It has fresh vegetables, cheese, and a light sauce.
That sounds perfect. I'll have a cappuccino and a grilled vegetable sandwich.
Sure. Would you like your coffee strong or regular?
I prefer it a bit strong, please.
No problem. Anything else you'd like to add?
No, that will be all for now.
All right. Your order will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Great. Thank you.
Is this your first time visiting our cafe?
Yes, it is. I just moved to this area recently.
Oh, welcome. How are you finding the place so far?
It's been good. The city is quite busy, but I like the energy.
That's true. It can feel a bit overwhelming at first.
Yes, exactly. But I think I'll get used to it soon.
I'm sure you will. Do you usually come to cafes to relax?
Yes, I like sitting in a quiet place, especially after a long day.
That's nice. Many people come here for the same reason.
I can see why. The atmosphere here is really comfortable.
Your order is ready. 1 cappuccino and 1 grilled vegetable sandwich.
Perfect, thank you so much.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy your meal.
I'm sure I will. Everything looks great.
Let me know if you need anything else.
Sure, I will. Thanks again.
Alright, learners. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. Also, let me know which type of conversation you would like to hear in the next video. Thanks for watching.